10 Best B2B Lead Generation Companies to Boost Your Sales. Tips and AI Tools. B2B lead generation is key to growth and steady revenue. AI and automation help personalize outreach and improve ROI. This video features top AI-driven lead gen companies and tips for boosting sales. B2B lead generation identifies potential business clients interested in a company's services. It's a process of research, outreach, engagement, and qualification aimed at building a sustainable sales funnel that drives consistent revenue and improves sales productivity. B2B lead generation targets businesses and decision-makers with personalized, complex strategies, focusing on long sales cycles and relationship building. B2C lead generation, however, targets end consumers with broader, emotional marketing and shorter, impulse-driven sales cycles. AI and technology have transformed B2B lead generation, enabling faster, more targeted processes. Platforms like AnyBiz use AI to analyze data, identify high-quality leads, and automate personalized outreach, improving efficiency and engagement. Choose a B2B lead generation company based on their service offerings, proven success, and AI-driven strategies. Ensure they provide strong support, transparency, and competitive pricing, with a focus on lead quality and ROI. To choose the best B2B lead generation company, consider their industry expertise, technology stack, AI, CRM integration, automation, and proven success through case studies and references. Ensure transparent pricing, clear expectations, and open communication for effective collaboration and growth. Top 10 B2B lead generation companies. 1. AnyBiz is a top B2B lead generation platform, using AI to automate sales and marketing tasks, replacing traditional SDRs. Its AI sales agents engage prospects via email, LinkedIn, and AI cold calls, optimizing conversion rates. With continuous 24/7 operation, it personalizes outreach, classifies emails, and integrates with CRMs like HubSpot for streamlined management. The user-friendly setup allows quick linking of LinkedIn accounts, business descriptions, and target profiles, enabling the AI to focus on the right leads. AnyBiz also automates email domain setup and warming to improve deliverability. Start a free 7-day trial to experience its capabilities firsthand. 2. CIENCE is a B2B lead generation company that uses AI and human research to identify high-conversion leads. It combines automated email, LinkedIn outreach, and calls to optimize engagement and drive conversions, helping businesses grow their client base efficiently. 3. Belkins is a B2B lead generation and appointment setting company that uses AI to qualify leads and optimize outreach. It integrates with CRM systems to manage leads efficiently, ensuring a steady flow of pre-qualified meetings and long-term client relationships. 4. LeadGeneration.com is a B2B lead generation company that uses AI to optimize marketing campaigns, including SEO, content marketing, and multi-channel outreach. They automate and personalize outreach, continuously refining campaigns for better lead quality and ROI. 5. UpLead is a B2B SaaS lead generation tool that provides instant access to global business contacts. It features an AI-powered lead scoring system to rank prospects based on key factors like industry and engagement, integrating seamlessly with CRM and email systems. 6. Callbox is a B2B lead generation company using a multi-channel approach, including telemarketing, email, social media, and digital marketing. Specializing in industries like IT, healthcare, and finance, its AI-powered platform optimizes campaigns for better engagement and response rates. 7. SalesPro Lead specializes in niche B2B lead generation for industries like manufacturing, technology, and professional services. Using AI, it personalizes lead nurturing by analyzing prospect behavior, leading to higher conversion rates and more effective outreach. 8. Leadfeeder tracks website visitors and converts them into leads by analyzing behavior through AI. Integrated with CRMs like HubSpot and Pipedrive, it identifies high-value prospects and syncs lead data for efficient follow-up, helping businesses engage the right leads. 9. AeroLeads is a B2B lead generation platform that uses AI for data accuracy, segmentation, and email verification. It provides tailored lead databases and integrates with email marketing systems for automated outreach, ensuring high-quality lead information. 10. SalesRoads provides personalized B2B lead generation services with custom sales campaigns. It combines AI and human expertise to analyze prospect behavior, ensuring tailored communication and high-quality lead qualification, maximizing conversions and relationships. To get the most from a B2B lead generation company, align on goals and stay engaged. Set clear KPIs to track performance and optimize strategies. Use AI tools for deeper insights, better timing, and automated follow-ups to improve engagement and conversions. Before you say goodbye, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to ensure you're always in the know with our upcoming releases.